Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you guitar enthusiasts out there. We're taking a closer look at the MOOER GE100 Multi-Effects Processor Electric Guitar Pedal Amp. If you're into indie rock or just looking to elevate your guitar game, this might be the pedal for you. Stick around because we're diving deep into its features, pros, and cons. Let's kick things off with an overview of the MOOER GE100. This pedal is quickly becoming known as one of the best guitar pedals for indie rock musicians. Why? Well, it packs a punch with 80 preset patches and 80 user patches, giving you an extensive sound library to explore and create your own unique tones. And trust me, it's a breeze to save your preferred tones with the easy-to-use save button. What sets the GE100 apart is its versatility. With 8 effect modules offering a whopping 66 effect types, it's like having a pedal board with limitless possibilities. Whether you're looking for that classic overdrive or experimenting with ambient sounds, the GE100 has you covered. One standout feature is the 6 assignable expression pedal parameters. These allow you to fine-tune your tone on the fly. Plus, the adjustable output mode lets you get great tones even when you're not connected to an amp. Perfect for those late-night practice sessions with headphones. But that's not all. The GE100 isn't just a pedal, it's a creative tool. It comes with a 180-second looper and a built-in drum machine with various rhythm patterns. Say goodbye to the need for a computer when you want to create your own music. And if you're looking to improve your scales and chords, this pedal even has a learning function. Now, let's talk about the pros of the MOOER GE100. With 80 presets and 66 effects, you have endless options to craft your unique sound. Saving your favorite tones and tweaking parameters is straightforward, making it accessible for all skill levels. The assignable parameters add depth and versatility to your performance. The looper and drum machine make it easy to compose music and practice without a computer. Perfect for beginners, the scale and chord learning feature is a great educational tool. In conclusion, the MOOER GE100 Multi-Effects Processor Electric Guitar Pedal Amp is a fantastic choice for indie rock enthusiasts and guitarists of all levels. It offers a wide range of effects, a user-friendly interface, and creative tools that make it stand out in its class. Whether you're crafting unique sounds, practicing with the built-in drum machine, or enhancing your skills with the learning function, the GE100 has got you covered. And that's a wrap on our review of the MOOER GE100. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.